Drying is more than placing equipment and walking away. Desa monitored site conditions, checked moisture levels, and confirmed the affected materials reached acceptable dry standards. Once the readings were verified, the equipment was removed and the areas were stabilized for the next repair phase. For property managers and residents, that means clear documentation, controlled drying, and a cleaner path forward after water damage, without guesswork.